Hi everyone! Today I want to introduce you to a powerful Canvas feature called Differentiation tags. These let you label students in your course with custom tags. Things like needs extra time, athlete, advanced research, and then use those tags to assign resources, activities, or even full modules. The best part? Tags are invisible to students, but they give you an easy way to personalize the learning experience without juggling extra sections or building multiple versions of the same assignment. With differentiation tags, you can assign content, assignments, discussions, quizzes, pages, modules to a specific group of students. You can adjust due dates or availability just for tagged students. And you can organize your course around support needs, enrichment options, or even scheduling conflicts. In short, tags give you a flexible toolkit to meet students where they are, whether they need extra support, more challenge, or just flexibility. To get started, go to People and click Manage Tags. You can create individual tags or whole tag sets. Then assign tags to students by selecting the box next to their name and clicking Tag As. Next, when you create an assignment quiz or module, use the Assign To field to target those tags. Only the students with that tag will see it. And here's the brand new part from the August 7th deploy. You can now see a student's tags directly in the Student Details tray. No digging required. And you can filter the gradebook by tags. So it's easier than ever to track progress for specific groups of students. There are many ways to use these tags in your courses, but here are a couple of examples. Tag struggling students to assign them review materials. Create an advanced tag for optional challenges. Tag student athletes for makeup modules when they're at away games. Filter your roster by tag to focus on those groups quickly. Differentiation tags are a game changer for making Canvas more personalized and efficient. With the new updates, they're easier to see and track than ever. Try creating a tag or two in your course and see how they can streamline your teaching. Thanks for watching and happy building!